Hello, this is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Today I want to show you a really cool single slot payphone, and this is Don's equipment from Texas, and this is the initial checkout of this really cool payphone. We want to run through a little bit about what needs to be done. We're going to be converting this payphone, so we will be removing the programmable boards that are inside this unit. They are of no use to us and they cannot be used in the conversion. Once the programmable PC boards are removed, we will need to build up our tone generator circuits and our network. The keypad that's in this unit is only a momentary switch situation, so we will need to build up our tone generator. We also want to rewire this unit the way we want it wired to work the way we want it to work. We will troubleshoot the security cable. We want to go through the handset. We want to make sure the transmitter and the receiver is good. If not, they will be repaired. We want to make sure that all the coins are falling through the coin validator and into the cash box area, so we will be going through the coin validator. We will also be installing a bell in this unit and bell circuit. Don has all of his keys to this payphone, so that's a plus. We're also going to install a modular line port so that Don can simply bring in any length, any color line cord that he chooses, plug right into the modular line port, makes for a simple, easy plug-and-play connection. We will be going through the entire payphone while it's in the shop. We have a lot of work that needs to be done. We want to get a start on this unit. We'll go ahead and take some still pictures of this really cool single slot payphone, and we'll come back and get some more video as we move forward in the troubleshooting, repairing, and converting process. We'll take a short break and we'll be right back. Okay, we're back now, and we want to run through a little bit about what's going on. We've been through the coin validator, and we've made sure that all the coins are falling through the coin validator and into the cash box area. And we want to go ahead and run some change through this unit. So we'll start out with a quarter. We'll do a dime, a nickel, another quarter, a dime, and one last nickel. Now what we want to do is go ahead and check our cash box for our coins. So we'll go ahead and open our vault door, set that to the side, pull our cash box out, and Don's getting rich with bubblegum money. We'll go ahead and set that to the side, return our cash box, and go ahead and lock up our vault door. So now that we know that the coins are falling through the coin validator and into the cash box area, we can go ahead and move on to other parts of the payphone that we need to take care of. We'll take a short break and we'll be right back. Okay, we're back now and we're ready to start our final checkout. Now, we also want to mention our amplified pickup. We use this pickup in troubleshooting, repairing, and on our final checkouts. It's amplified so that you can hear the audio from a receiver. And I have an amplifier back by the video. It has a button on it. When I press the button, I can give dial tone or take it away at any time. And since it's an open amplifier, it is prone to any static interference or noise in the atmosphere. So if you hear any noise during the final checkout, it will be coming from the amplifier and not the payphone. Now I want to go ahead and push the button on the amplifier. You may hear a little bit of an electrical hum. I'll release it, press it one more time, and release it. So if you hear any noise during the final checkout, it will be coming from the amplifier and not the payphone. We also want to mention that next to the modular line port that was installed in the back of the front cover for this unit, there is a thumb wheel for a volume control for the handset. So the handset is amplified. Now what we want to do is go ahead and use the analyzer and send a ring cycle like you were getting a call. So we'll start that. We'll let that go a few times. I'll let it go one more time and we'll give you some dial tone. We want to walk through our numbers. If you watch the analyzer, you'll watch the numbers roll by. I'm going to end in a 2. Now I want to transmit into the handset. If you watch that red light on the analyzer, every time you see that red light light up, that's an indication of 100% modulation on transmit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hello? Hello. Go ahead and hang our handset up. Now that we know that this unit is ringing in on a ring cycle, we're dialing out, we have transmit and receive. We can go ahead and press this button on the switch box. That'll give us a line out, totally take the analyzer out of the situation, and we'll call a time and temp number. Go ahead and give you some dial tone. And we'll make that call.
The time and temperature is coming up after this. To hear the time and temperature, just stay on the line. Today is Tuesday, June 23rd. The current time, 12:56 p.m. and the temperature, 77 degrees.
We can go ahead and hang up. We can call one other number. We'll call my number and it'll be busy. Give you some dial tone. And we'll make that call. We can go ahead and hang our handset up. Now that we know that this payphone has been repaired and converted, we can return this unit back to Don and he can enjoy this single slot payphone. I'm sure it's going to look great wherever it's used. And I do believe he has a payphone booth that he will be installing this in, and he's kind of doing that for the grandkids. So they'll get a big kick out of that. I'm sure they'll have a great time using this unit. This is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.